Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that x0 and base b is positive and not 1. Next, rewrite expressions using the definition log b. X equals y means by equals x so you can see the relationship. This helps you isolate unknowns. Use change of base immediately when your tool only has ln or log on the calculator. Compute log b x as ln x slash ln b. Once done, you can simplify or plug values into equations. You now work through the core algebra. Apply product, quotient, and power rules to compress or expand expressions. For example, combine log terms into one log when possible so you can exponentiate cleanly. When logs sit on both sides, move terms so a single log remains. Once isolated, convert to exponential form to solve for the variable. Make sure to check domain constraints after solving, because extraneous solutions can appear when you exponentiate or divide by expressions. You finish by substituting solutions back into the original equation and confirming they obey domain rules. If a value yields x less or equal to 0 or invalid base, discard it. If algebra stalls, use change of base or numeric solvers to approximate roots and double-check arithmetic signs and parentheses. One key troubleshooting tip: when answers look wrong, inspect steps where you exponentiated or combined logs. Those often introduce extraneous roots or sign errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.